Okay, so I know this eye look like totally doesn't make sense. I'm not claiming to be a makeup artist. There's so many colors in this palette. I want to use as many as I possibly can. So what I think I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna do a completely different and matte eye look on this side, kind of the way I did this one, but with different colors, and then top them both with different metallic shades, and then I'll swatch a bunch of them for you and stuff anyway, so we can use as much as possible to get an idea of the payoff of as many colors as we can. So I'm gonna go off camera and just kind of do this part a little bit, and then I'll come back and we'll put it all on together. So I'll be right back. I just decided for this eye, I'm just gonna do something very neutral just to see how those perform. So far, I think I used about 8 colors or so of the mattes. So far, so good. All right, so let's see on this side how some of these like neutral metallics go on without like anything under them. So let's try, this looks interesting. It looks like, this looks like a duochrome. I could be wrong, but it looks like either a duochrome or possibly like a lid topper. It's not a duochrome. Let's see how it just goes on by itself. Oh yeah, it looks like it could be more, it looks like a sheer kind of topper. So I mean, not incredibly exciting, but not horrible. I definitely want to see this gold one right here too. So I'm gonna put that on kind of behind where I just put that other one. Yeah, this seems to, these two lighter ones seem to have that like sheerness to them where you'd probably get the best kind of payoff from them if you put them on like a glue or a base of some kind, like a concealer. Let's put a base down on this side and we'll use some of these brighter metallics and kind of see how they work. But you know what, let me swatch a few of them. I need to see this green shade. All right, yeah, this doesn't seem like it's gonna be crazy on its own, so let's put some of these metallics on top of the base. Okay, so something is going on with my camera, it keeps shutting off, so you just missed me explaining this. So off camera, I just put on my base and I went in with this metallic green shade right here, the deep one. It's got a little bit of a yellowy shift to it. It went on very, very nice. And obviously, much better than the ones that we didn't put anything down on. So next, let's go in with this kind of aqua shade right here, and we'll put this kind of in the middle of my lid on top of the concealer. Oof, that's very pretty. Yeah, that looks pretty good too. Let's do this kind of silvery shade right here towards the inner corner. And then we'll swatch the other metallic shades. Now, I want to see how this chartreuse shade kind of sits on top of the concealer. So let's try that. Again, I realize this eye shade, this eye look is literally going to make no sense, but that's okay. That went all nice. Okay, I'm gonna swatch the rest of, well, not the rest, well, the rest of the metallic shades I will absolutely swatch for you, and I'll swatch a few more of the mattes for you as well. All right, so we have these metallics right here. And you know what, I'm usually somebody who always puts metallics on top of a base anyway, so there won't be many instances where I'll just put them down on top of nothing, so. Ooh, very nice. These aren't metallic, but they're like matte with like glitter in them, but they're like the real small glitters, so I figured I'd show you. And then there's one more that looks kind of like that, like a matte with a metallic, and it's that orange shade that has like the yellow glitter in it. This looks like it might be my favorite shade out of the whole. Aw. It looks like one that you might have to put down on top of something. You might be able to use it just as a matte shade because the underneath metallic shade doesn't come up too much. But I'll also swatch a few of the shades that a few of the matte shades that I didn't actually use. All right, so here are just a handful of the shades I didn't actually use today. And actually, it looks like I used almost all of the shades. These are the only ones I didn't use today of the mattes. And honestly, I'm pretty pleased. Obviously, my eye look is nothing special. In fact, it doesn't look very good, which is okay. Again, I didn't do this for the artistic aspect of it. It wasn't to do a cool eye look. It was to show how they perform. And I think they actually performed really well. Again, the glitters, I would definitely use a glitter glue because they just tend to always perform better that way. But the mattes, really nice. And I definitely think this is just as good so far as the Swear By It palette. So is it worth $35? Maybe, but it's also one of those things where if you really want to try it, wait for the 20% off or the $5 coupon or the $3.50 coupon if you want to just pay 30 something for it. Or if you're dying for it, if you really want to try it, I definitely don't think it's bad for $35. This is one of those palettes that, sure, it's a drugstore palette, but you're getting a lot. That I can get behind. If it was like a 10 shade palette from NYX for $35, I'd be like, fuck you. But something like this, I could get behind. And I'm pretty excited to play with it more, actually. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know some fun new makeup you guys have tried lately. Let me know in the comments below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.